Excuse me? She's just Uh-oh.
You can't walk on it.
Here's the Rocco disappearing trick. Ready? Now you see him. Now you don't. Oh, there he is. Oh, good boy. You kiss him, Bobo.
Ever touch my boyfriend? I will hunt you down like ever. Take my dick. You look at it.
There he goes.
What is this? That's bad. Did you do it? Alright, so this guy, Winston, chewed a hole in my cover, and now he's got his head stuck in it.
What happened to those ribs? Did you eat those ribs? Did you eat the ribs, Oscar?
Really?
Oh no. Are you stuck? He farted and kicked you off.
Turbo!
go? Go, where'd you 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 go? Look at it.
There you go. Alright. Judy! Gah! Oh, I'm sorry.
Got over in the trash, and we came out to find her like this.
Oh.
Mess everywhere. Avery, can you tell me who made this mess? Avery, come. Come on.
Mummies, where are you going? We're gonna go for a walk. Where are you going?
Over here.
What did you do?
Get over
You
here. What did
were a bad girl. The pencils.
What?
So, Bo, I see that your collar is still on.
The duck. Where's your duck? Where's the duck? Good boy. Good boy. Bring here. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. Where's the skeleton? Where's the skeleton? Good boy, Max. Bring it here. Bring me the skeleton. Bring me the skeleton. Good boy.